job after job, the Milwaukee 25-foot compact wide blade magnetic tape measure with rechargeable 100 lumen light provides the brightest and clearest measuring in the industry. The LED tape delivers 100 lumens of output, providing bright and clear lighting for dimly lit job sites. Delivering up to 15 feet of reach, this tape lets you take longer measurements and reach further on the job site. Featuring an impact-resistant lens and frame, the LED tape is constructed to withstand harsh job site conditions. The blade on the LED tape features an anti-tear coating that delivers blade protection through various applications. Our finger stop technology provides greater control of your measurements. This LED tape measure is USB rechargeable and delivers up to 2.5 hours of continuous runtime. Experience the industry's brightest and clearest measuring with the Milwaukee LED tape measure.